Hello guys, this is my first tutorial in Wireshark. So please watch my first tutorial, then you can get an better idea how to investigate a PCAP file. So let's start. First we need to investigate this PCAP file. Then we need to find what kind of attack and attack type. Go to statics and go to endpoints. Then you can see in here what are the TCP and UDP ports, packets and byte sizes. Go to Ethernet, you can use name resolution. You can change it to the proper name. Let's go to TCP, change it to port ascending order. So you can see the port and packets and byte size. In here you can see packets and byte size is same, sometimes it's different, but in port 1 to 21 same packet and same byte sizes. In 23 to 49 same packet and same byte sizes. Let's see other ports and byte sizes. Yes, you can see same. I'm pretty sure this is a port scan attack. So then we need to find what kind of attack type. So close it and go to Internet Protocol version, go to flags. Okay, in here again you need to go to there is no any evidence. Go to frame. Let's see, there is no any evidence. Click this one. I'm going to click this one and go to Internet Protocol, go to flag. There is no any evidence. Let's see, transmission control protocol. There is no any evidence. Let's check different one. Yes, this one is SYN set. That's mean this is a port scan attack using SYN attack type method. You can see this flag is SYN set in here. This is the SYN port scan attack using SYN attack type. Let's check what are the. Let's check source IP and destination IP. Right click and go to apply as a filter selected. Go in here, you can see the source IP and destination IP. Source IP is 172.16.08 and 64.13.134 and 52. This mean this is a destination IP, this is a source IP. Let's check the source port and destination port. You can see in here 36050 the source port, then destination port is 1. You can see in here also destination port 1. Let's check another port. I'm going to check this one 458. Apply as filter selected. Then go to here, you can see source IP and destination IP is same. Then protocol TCP SYN set flag, you can see. Then source port is the same. Source port is 36050. Then destination port is 458. So this is a port scan attack. So this is how to investigate this kind of attack. So please watch my other tutorial also, then you can get better idea how to do a PCAP file investigation using Wireshark. So guys, thank you very much for watching this video, and I hope you can get good idea. And please subscribe my channel and please share and comment. So thank you guys and bye.